Today I'm sharing a basic guest bedroom in our house, and while it has a bunch of foundational elements, the space wasn't really designed with any sort of intention. It's ended up being a collection of some random items from around the house that didn't fit in other rooms. So far, we've had the room professionally painted a light blue color that I love. It's peaceful, it's calm. I do have to do something to clean up this closet quite a bit, make it more inviting. And the furniture is a bit of a mix. I need to pull it all together with some thoughtful color transformations. I'm not sure if the mirrored side tables will stay or go to another room. Many of the decorative items are pieces from other rooms that didn't match the space. So I like a lot of them individually, but together they don't quite work for me in this room right now. For the attached bathroom, it's painted neutral, so I'm considering a new shade to better complement the guest room. I do like the black frame and artwork, but the shower curtain definitely needs an update. And I've been toying with the idea of making the room Halloween friendly, adding some decor to give it like a seasonal excitement. So it's bright and calming now. I want it to feel inviting, but get a little fun with the Halloween idea.